Hey there, plant lovers. Did you know that a whopping 95% of plant problems stem from poor soil conditions? Yeah, that's right. Your plants might be suffering, and you might not even know it yet. So today, we're diving into the ultimate soil testing guide. Whether you're a total newbie or a seasoned gardener, soil testing is super important for keeping your plants healthy and thriving. And guess what? Anyone can do it with the right guidance. So let's get started. Alright, let's talk real for a second. We all love the idea of having a flourishing garden, but have you ever faced issues like stunted growth or yellowing leaves? Most of the time, these problems can be traced back to untested soil. Imagine putting in all that effort, watering, fertilizing, and caring for your plants, only to find out they're not getting the nutrients they need because of poor soil quality. It's frustrating, right? And nutrient deficiencies can lead to all sorts of problems, turning your gardening dreams into a nightmare. So, if you're tired of playing the guessing game and want to set your plants up for success, soil testing is a total game changer. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of soil testing. First things first, you'll want to collect some samples. Grab a clean trowel, and dig down about 6 inches in different spots of your garden. This helps you get a good mix of soil. Aim for about 5 to 10 samples. Once you've got your samples, mix them in a bucket and let them dry out. Next up, you've got options for testing methods. You can either send your sample to a lab or use a DIY home testing kit. If you go the lab route, they'll send you a detailed report on pH levels, nutrient content, and more. If you're using a home kit, just follow the instructions on the package, easy peasy. Now, when you get your soil test report back, look for key indicators like pH levels, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium content. These elements are crucial for your plant's health. For instance, if your pH is too low or too high, it can affect nutrient absorption. And if you notice deficiencies in essential nutrients, that's your cue to amend your soil and give your plants the boost they need. Here's a cool story for you. One of my friends tested her soil and found out it was really low in nitrogen. She was struggling with her tomato plants, which were barely growing. After she amended her soil with some compost and a nitrogen-rich fertilizer, her tomato plants went from sad and stunted to towering beauties. She ended up with a bumper crop that summer. It just goes to show how a little soil testing can lead to major improvements in your garden. So, to recap, soil testing is super simple and can make a world of difference for your plants. Collect samples, choose a testing method, and pay attention to your soil test report. Remember, healthy soil equals healthy plants. So take action and give your plants the best chance to thrive. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out my other gardening videos for more tips and tricks. I'd love to hear about your soil testing experiences, so drop a comment below and share what you've learned. Happy gardening!